I always introduce. Sometimes you also should do it, no? चालू झालाय. चल. Welcome back to Iti. Okay. This is our 4th video. We are sorry that we were delayed.
I'll tell you why. You know, there are 6 letters in a child's life that every child hates. You guessed it right.
School. I thought mother. Which is mother.
You're right, but mother has 5 letters.
That was a test.
I know that. Okay. And then, so we had these online classes and they are very boring.
Okay, we'll make the video about it later.
Yeah, sure.
Let's come back to recipe. Today we are going to make my world famous Maggi salad, as many people told me to make it. For this we will need Maggi, of course. I'll tell you the ingredients as I go along. Okay. So then go get Maggi.
Yes, sir.
देखते हैं कितना पता है उसको किधर क्या रखना है.
Ta-da! Big Maggi.
Okay, I thought you have learned English. This is Yippee noodles. This is not Maggi.
Mama, Maggi and Yippee same
No,
only.
this salad is made only with Maggi noodles. I can't use it here. किसी काम का नहीं है. Okay, go get olive oil. Where did Maggi go वैसे? It was there yesterday, right?
वो चीज डैडी ने मुझे बताने से मना किया.
Okay, go get olive oil.
Ta-da! Oh wait, there's no olive oil.
अरे यार.
इसमें मेरी गलती नहीं है. Oh, we have oil.
No, we can't use normal oil. Okay, what next? We need nimbu.
Okay.
Couple of nimbus.
Ta-da! इसको कट किया तो couple of noodles बनेगा.
No, we need actually 2 nimbus. We'll have to make some jugaad. We need roasted almonds and walnuts. बच्चे घर पे रहते हैं तो सब खा लेते हैं. तो जैसे मैगी गायब हो गया. These are not almonds. ये बच्चा इसको almond बोलता है. These are cashews. काजू.
Yes.
Okay. So guys, we have to do some jugaad about our ingredients. So until then, just don't go anywhere.
You don't
We'll be
go
right
anywhere.
back.
I will go everywhere.
Yeah. अभी इसको काम पे लगाएंगे. Bye bye.
अच्छा हुआ मैराथन कैंसिल हो गया, नहीं तो इनको घर पे पकड़ना मुश्किल है.
अरे साधू भाऊ, आज इकडे कसं
हाय
काय?
मामा.
कसं आहे?
अरे यार, डोंट टास्क. मामा ने काम पे लगाया है.
काहे का काम?
उसको कुछ तो ऑलिव ऑयल चाहिए.
ऑलिव ऑयल? हाँ, मेरे पास है ना. एक्चुअली आई वाज मेकिंग चिकन पार्मेजान, लेकिन आई कैन स्पेयर अ बॉटल फॉर यू. कम ऑन.
थैंक यू.
बाकी स्कूल कैसा चल रहा है?
स्कूल थोडी ना चलते है.
वेरी गुड. आजा.
Oh, hi सिद्धांत.
हाय अनुष्का ताई, कशी आहेस?
म्हणजे तू कसा आहेस?
मी इज गुड. मामी, हाऊ यू डूइंग?
अरे एकदम परफेक्ट मस्त.
मामी, मला लवकर ऑलिव ऑयल दे ना, मम्मी से पिटाई होएगी.
ओह श्योर.
हाँ.
मम्मा काय बनवते हैं?
वीडियो अपलोड होने के बाद ही पता चलेगा. यम्मी कुकीज.
You know about it?
या. हाय.
Hey Siddhan! Hi, good to see you.
Hi Mansi Maushi. अच्छा, by any chance do you have some almonds and walnuts, please?
Yeah, sure. Come. I just got back from Costco.
अरे यार, I really miss Costco. Wow, ice cream.
Is this enough?
More than enough.
Here you go.
सिद्धांत, फटाक से आइसक्रीम उठा. जल्दी जल्दी.
Hey, my ice cream.
भाग सिद्धांत, भाग भाग सिद्धांत, भाग.
अरे रुक रुक, कहाँ से भागा आ रहा है? Slow down.
सना के घर से आइसक्रीम चुरा के आ रहा हूँ. Oh, by the way, do you have lemons on the tree?
रुक, ढूंढने दे.
Can I have one, please? Thanks, Manisha Maushi. Bye. Go to lunch.
Okay, welcome back. Siddharth must be on his way. Let's see
क्या
what he
timing
got.
है?
Oh, you okay? Wow. What did you get? Okay, here is olive oil. Here is walnuts. Nimbu. We have one more nimbu. Wow, यार सिद्धार्थ efficient हो गया तू.
Yes, Mama.
चल रहा है. And think. I don't know what he's up to. Anyway, so where are rest of the ingredients?
अपने हाथों में इतना ही.
अच्छा ओके. Wait. Maggie तुला आहे का right?
Yes, sir.
We also need brown sugar for this.
Of course.
Get it?
Arey, you remember that day you told me to buy the brown sugar? I just bought some white sugar and chocolate sauce. चलेगा ना?
अरे white sugar I used it for laddu, so that anyways is not useful. And white sugar with chocolate sauce, I mean, who comes up with these things? Okay, so brown sugar we'll have to make jugaad then, and we need dates. Dates as in khajur. Siddhant and his lame jokes.
There you go.
अरे दो खजूर का क्या करूँगी मैं यार? We need.
अरे खजूर 2 ही खजूर है.
अरे यार. Okay. So again I'll have to send him on tour to get rest of the ingredients, and this time don't forget Maggi. Okay.
Yes. Okay, sure.
Okay, we'll be right back. I mean he'll be right back. I'll be just setting it up. तब तक मैं थोड़ा इसको रोस्ट करके रखती हूँ.
प्लीज इधर मैगी मिल जाए. Hi Amrita.
Hi Siddharth.
By any chance, do you have any Maggie? I've been looking all over the world for it. Please.
Maggie. वो तो अदरक कल ही लेके आया था.
Thank God.
Hi, Siddharth.
Hi Advait Dada. I'm good.
Hello.
Do we have Maggie?
Yes, we do. लेके आओ.
हाँ. उसको
Okay.
चाहिए.
Yes, लेके आओ.
Yes, finally.
ये रहा.
Maggie.
Here you go, Siddharth. Enjoy your Maggie.
Thanks Advait Dada. Bye. I have ate that.
Oh, hi Sid, what's up?
Hey Anu Maushi, do you have some brown sugar?
I think I have some left. Hopefully Ivan Arin didn't finish it.
Lol, kids. I think he knows that I want some brown sugar.
Here you go, you're lucky.
Thanks Anu Maushi. Wow, looks good. Hey. Wallah Habibi. Hi Rani Maushi. Mama asked me to get some dates. Do you have them?
Yes, of course. Here. Is this enough?
Yes, sure. Thank you. Bye.
Okay. By now you must be thinking child labor पे लगा दिया है. But ठीक है. I think it's not right. Oh, आया. Wait. Okay, so we have brown sugar, we have Maggie, and we have dates. So I think Siddhant needs a break until then. Oops, Siddhant. I'm very sorry, but you'll have to go again. Sorry. ठीक है छान. My baby is so nice.
चुपचाप बोलो क्या चाहिए.
So we need cabbage, your favorite.
Yikes!
Cabbage and then spring onion. अपने farm से लेके आना. We have farm. जब farm से लेके आओ. And don't forget soya sauce, Siddhant.
हाँ वही बाकी रह गया था. हाँ, finally reached our Murbad farmhouse. Yes. Sopan Dada, oh Sopan Dada. Where is this guy? Sopan Dada.
काय रे सिद्धांत.
Sopan Dada, मला ते स्प्रिंग अनियन दे ना.
अरे हे घे आपल्या घरचे.
Oh, raw mangoes.
हाय सिद्धांत केम छो
मजामा प्रांजल. घर में कैबेज है क्या?
रुक लेट मी चेक तनिष्का तेरे को कैबेज ले आओ.
Now these are my prankster cousins. सीधे कैबेज मिल जाए तो अच्छा है.
अरे
ये कहाँ से आया? ये क्यों? ये लो.
Thanks.
Hi Tuputi. Do you have some sleeping sauce, soya sauce?
I don't know. Wait, we'll ask Didi.
Didi, do we have soya sauce?
Wait, let me check.
Hi Swati Atya.
अरे सिद्धार्थ ये ना आती है ना बाहर क्या करतोयस
अरे यार अभी नहीं. I have to go home, do my homework. नंतर येईन पक्का. Yes, soya sauce. Hi Didi.
हाय सिड इतना ही है चलेगा क्या
अरे चलेगा क्या दौड़ेगा.
Thanks, Didi.
Bye Swati Atya.
Bye, Tupsy Wupsy. I promise now we will make the salad as soon as Siddhant comes from our farm. Okay? आता ही होगा just. अरे आला. Wow, that was quick. Okay. So come here, come here, come here. So now we have Maggi, dates, brown sugar, some lemon,
Some
Kobe's. No, toffees is not part of it. Kobe, soya sauce, spring onion, some almonds and walnuts, and some olive oil. I will cut, chop everything and make it ready for our actual recipe making.
Now I saw you कुछ नहीं बाकी है.
So we are showing the roasting process also. Guess who is doing it? And many people asked, show us the kitchen ka view. So we are doing it. This is where I cook meals. So approx 5 minutes, just roast it properly.
Do we do it like we roast our omelette?
Siddhant.
Sorry.
just आता नहीं है वो नहीं करने का.
ऐसे क्यों?
So as you can see, it's changing its color. Oops. And it's giving this spark. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, welcome back. We are tired from cutting, chopping, roasting, and everything. Okay, so let
Oh, and for the record, I was roasting almonds, not.
Okay, he was not playing. So this is a chopped spring onion.
Yes.
This
This
is
is chopped
shredded cabbage.
Cabbage.
And this is brown sugar,
Lemon juice.
lemon juice, olive oil.
olive
We
oil.
refilled the olive oil. Soya sauce.
And wait, this one is the almonds which I roasted.
Yeah, almonds, sir. These are the almonds and
These are the
walnuts.
almonds and
These are
the
dates. And this is couple of Maggi
And these are toffees.
and just Maggi masala. So we'll start with this is an empty jar.
ये मसाला देख के मेरे
We'll
को
start
पानी
with
आ रहा है.
Maggi masala.
Yummy. Can
So
I
with
take
two,
some?
with two Maggi, it has.
Ouch. Wait, let me. So we just came back from the eye surgeon.
Okay, this is masala. This is some lemon juice. So my proportion is olive oil. नहीं, अंदाज़ा अपना अपना. But जितना olive oil उससे half brown sugar and उससे half soya sauce and सबसे कम lemon juice.
Look, it's bubbling.
Brown sugar. So brown sugar enhances the taste and also the smell is also nice. So I'm just putting अंदाज से 4 tablespoons.
As I said, अंदाज़ अपना अपना.
Yeah. Some soya sauce.
It has a very strong smell.
Okay, so why in the jar? Because then you can just. We are not going to open it. We are just mixing it and we're just keeping it here.
What is that? Masala magic?
So this is I had some more. So according to your taste, you can just add it later. Just to summarize, this has olive oil. Olive oil के half brown sugar के half soya sauce and some lemon juice and Maggi का masala. And according to your taste, you can add masala some later. Right now, this much is enough for अपना जितना ingredient. So this is some chopped spring onion. So I'm putting it here.
Chop it.
And this is cabbage. This is according to your taste. You can कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हो. Then dates basically just to add extra sweetness. If you don't like ज़्यादा sweet, but this salad is tastes better when it's sweeter. And then lastly, I'm adding roasted almonds and walnuts. Walnuts you don't have to roast because it's already crunchy. So I'm just giving one. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, I'm good.
No, I'm good. And some.
Wait. Don't we have to cook it first?
No. So this one is basically kacha Maggi, and then with the seasoning. This is the seasoning that we have made. Seasoning say it gives that perfect crunchy taste. So that's why I said yippee noodles nahi chalega, Maggi hi chalega. So we are just going to put Maggi like this, and we are just going to leave it. Okay, so we are just mixing this together. Let its natural juices of cabbage and spring onion come out and soak some Maggi. These are not the only ingredients. No. So there are a couple of secret ingredients also. We are going to put mangoes in it.
Mangoes?
And some milk.
What a waste of...
And some sugar.
Yeah.
Mama, yaar, what a big way.
I hope you didn't eat mangoes, yaar. I was planning to make.
Of course I
Okay, I think I have to send Siddhan again on a trip. At least we have milk. At least we have milk.
Yeah, we have milk.
Get milk. At least we should have milk.
Yeah, we have milk.
अरे इसका क्या मैं करूँ अचार डालूँ? This you can't use it as it. We have to boil it, then cool it, and then use it.
हाँ, mangoes लेने जा रहा हो तो milk भी लेके जाना. क्या
हाँ, okay. Go get some sugar.
Don't we have them?
Sugar we did laddu yesterday. Go get it, and we'll put it in salad. Okay. बेचारा मेरा भोला वाला लड़का. He actually thought we are going to put it in here. No, this is our next. It's not really recipe because we all drink it in this season. We are going to make mango milkshake.
Hi, Siddhant.
Good morning, Shalaka Maushi. Wow, you have so many mangoes already. Jagat Bhari.
Yes. पुणे तिथे काय होणे?
ऐसा क्या? Give me some mangoes, चुपचाप. Akka, bus. This is the place where I'll definitely get cold milk.
हाय सिद्धांत कसा आहे रे बाबा तू
मला ठंडे दूध दे ना. और आई किचन से एग्जिट मार रही है. वो फ्रिज की तरफ जाती है. फ्रिज का दरवाजा खोलती है और अंदर है एक काला ग्लास कोल्ड मिल्क. थैंक यू आई. थैंक्स फॉर द दूध. Oh, sorry, दूध. I just can't believe where I am. Hello, Captain Damodar Kaka. Wow, such a great view.
Yes, of course, Siddhant. We are in the Atlantic Ocean. And how are you? What brings you here today, Siddhant?
I am good, Kaka. Can I have some sugar, please?
Came all the way here to get some sugar.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Okay, here's your sugar, Siddhant.
Thanks, Kaka. Lockdown है ना, getting sugar is tough.
Okay, कुछ मीठा खिला अभी.
Alright, Captain. Thank you. Bye.
Kept everything away, and now let's make mango shake. I'm waiting for Siddhant. Siddhant को अभी यहाँ पे.
Mango shake?
Sorry. Yeah. We are not going to use it. You wanted me to use it in salad. No. Then good. Come here. Yes. Okay, so what? We got everything. We got milk. We got mangoes.
I got
Whole
sugar.
milk.
I got sugar.
Where did you get sugar in this lockdown period?
That's a secret only between you and me.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay, we'll find out later from. Oh my. Really? Okay. ठीक है. So let me do तैयारी, chopping and everything. Okay. See. So as you can see, I have cut some mangoes here. Okay. Then this is
the
some mango
pulp
pulp.
I made.
This is the sugar that Siddhant got, and this is some cold milk. Again, there is no proportion. It's according to how thick or thin you like your mango. So this is my mixer. So I'm putting mango pulp here. Then we are not putting this. This is for decoration. Arey yaar. I wish we had mango ice cream.
I wish that to continue.
So we are putting some sugar here. Depending on how sweet your pulp is, you can add, but our pulp is not that sweet. You are smelling this farm saliva, fresh spring
I'm
onion.
smelling the mangoes and mangoes only.
Achha.
I think this looks good.
That's fine.
This really smells nice.
This is for one for me, one for Daddy.
आइसक्रीम लाया मैं और मिल्कशेक लाया डैडी को.
आइसक्रीम.
सरप्राइज, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Kai. Kai Siddhant has gone mad. Okay, good. So we got mango ice cream. Wow.
I got it from that store.
Which?
Due to security reasons, I cannot tell you that.
Okay. It's so hot, so we can put as much as we want, and then we are putting some mangoes for decoration.
More mango.
Okay, so our mango shake is ready. Let's keep it aside.
And now let's make the salad.
And now let's put this. So one more time, give a shaky. Can you smell it?
I can.
Nice aroma.
Nice aroma, yes.
So Siddhant is stressed because he has to eat this. But trust me, Siddhant, this tastes just awesome.
Trust you? No.
So here is our Maggi salad and here is our mango milkshake.
Cheers, mis amigos.
Cheers. And let's taste some salad. Salad. Taste some salad. Okay. This is every time somehow all the ingredients gel perfectly. This is an excellent combo. It's summer, so just have this, make this at your home, and please write in comments how you liked our today's episode. So today's episode was very special for us. So Siddhant was smart enough to get all the ingredients virtually using some technology. And we got it. We have tried to make it funny. We have tried to gather jitne bhi hai our friends and family from all over the globe. We haven't actually used their ingredients, but whatever we had from our kitchen. So the message that we are trying to give is don't step out. अगर जाना ही है, घूमना ही है, तो हमारा वीडियो देखो, घूम के आओ, and have fun. Keep the hopes up. This shall pass. So. काय?
This shall pass.
नाही?
चांगलं आहे.
Okay. चलो. Signing off. Aditi.
Siddhant.
Bye bye. See you in next video.